Hello friends, welcome back to the channel and another episode of Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the next week, that is 8 to 12 June, guys. So on Friday, we had a spinning top on the top of the market structure level. The closing is 10,142, guys. So what will be the next week's move? I feel next week tomorrow by something like we may open a gap up and may test this 200 moving average also. You never know, but I feel the market need to correct right now, and it should subside and rally again, guys. But if it if if it rallies, my view of market falling down on a second wave will be wrong, guys. So we'll anticipate that as well. It has break passed through this market structure level. एक अच्छी closing भी आई है, guys, and we will do the analysis as we have got the weekly closing as well. We'll go for weekly time frame and analyze what lies ahead, guys. गाइज एक गैप बना के खोल के गया है, गाइज. दिस दिस गैप में फिल दिस वीक, guys what I feel this week is the market will go, sorry guys, the market will open, will come down, retest these levels and go back up, guys. This is what my anticipation for next week is. That will be resulted in next week. We'll get to see what will happen, but my anticipation is the market will open, go down and come back again up and break this high. ये हाई टूटेगा, गाइस. ये वीकली हाई जो बना है लास्ट वीक का, ये हाई टूटेगा बिकॉज इट इज अ वेरी गुड क्लोजिंग, गाइस. ये एक क्लोजिंग हो गई, फिर एक गैप बना के ऊपर गया, गाइस. सो ऐसा कहीं भी आपको देखने को नहीं मिला है, गाइस. इन ऑल दिस लाइक फ्रॉम 23rd March से लेकर अब तक ऐसा गैप बना के ऊपर नहीं गया है, दैट टू ऑन अ वीकली टाइम फ्रेम, गाइस. सो दिस इज अ वेरी बुलिश साइन, बट द मार्केट इज आस्किंग फॉर अ करेक्शन, गाइस. सो मार्केट नीचे जाएगा, गाइस, फॉर नेक्स्ट वीक. So now what we should do is we should prepare ourselves for a fall, guys. So as usual, we'll just see our levels. Where are those? For Nifty, I feel this gap might fill in next week, guys. 9,700 to 9,600, guys. ये ये जो गैप बना है, guys, I'll just draw ray draw it here and 9600 9700. ओके, गाइस, ये एक जोन बन गया, गाइस, हमारे लिए सपोर्ट लेवल. एंड इफ यू सी दिस in the weekly time frame, guys, this is looking very good, guys. if this if the price comes to take support on these levels, guys, the market can recover like very rapidly. यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी खासी बाइंग आ सकती है, guys. This is what I feel. This zone, guys, this zone. अगर यहाँ पे प्राइस मिला आपको निफ्टी 9,700 9,600, आंख बंद करके बाय करना चाहिए, गाइस. By seeing what is the price action it's making, guys. It's not nothing is you shouldn't go blindly in stock market, especially when you're trading. I wouldn't recommend that, but still I feel that यहाँ से एक अच्छा टर्न अराउंड आ सकता है, guys, and this is what I'm anticipating. How many points are we going to get in this, guys? Almost 400 points. This is पूरी वीक की कैंडल 400 पॉइंट की बनी है. You never know, नेक्स्ट वीक अच्छा कुछ मूव भी आ सकता है. So we'll anticipate. All we can do is anticipate and analyze, guys. We cannot just predict the market just like that. And on a higher level, I see, कुछ ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं देख रहा हूँ गाइज मैं मार्केट को, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी ये बहुत अच्छा मूव कर चुका है गाइज. आई एम सीइंग समवेयर अराउंड ओवर दिस लेवल गाइज. 9,000, सॉरी 10,300 एंड ओके. I feel it should take a strong resistance now only guys, because 20 day की moving average यहाँ पे दिख रही है guys. If I just click this, that is highlighted, that is 10,119 and closing a 10,142. It is already tested the 20 moving average and it may take a turnaround from here guys, because you have two resistance over here, dynamic resistance. एक 20 मूविंग एवरेज 20 मूविंग एक्सपोनेंशियल एवरेज का है और मूविंग एवरेज है गाइस. लेट मी जस्ट चेंज दिस इंडिकेटर EMA. I always see EMA guys, because वो अच्छा ये करता है, वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, इट टेक टाइम टू गिव यू राइट डेटा गाइस. ये मूविंग एवरेज, सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज जल्दी जल्दी होता है, लेकिन एक्सपोनेंशियल इट इज टेकिंग अ वेटेज गाइस. So if you see over here 20, it has crossed past 20 guys. See, the data has been changed and अगर कोई ये देख रहा है मूविंग एवरेज, बस मूविंग सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज देख रहा होगा, सो द प्राइस देयर इज 10,119. दैट इज व्हाट आई रिमेम्बर, 10,119 है गाइस. और 20 डे मूविंग एवरेज, 200 डे मूविंग एवरेज का EMA आ रहा है वैल्यू 10,240 guys. So that will act as a strong resistance guys, because this is 200 moving average that has a higher time value and it should respect that, because it is touching for the first time after this candle from 9th March. और आज हम आ रहे हैं मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून. After 3 months it's coming to touch it. I'm sure market will go steep downfall by testing these levels guys, but market should test and come down guys. This is what I'm saying. I feel it should happen that way. And 10,000 का मैंने ये बोला 10,300 guys. 10,300 will be our resistance for the coming week guys. ये एक हो गया, ये हो गया, और so the medium midpoint will be over here guys. This 9900 guys. 9900 शायद लास्ट वीक या उससे लास्ट वीक का हमारा टारगेट था. That will act as a support now guys, because the price is above this levels. So this is what I'm anticipating guys. Let me just do a quick outline of everything guys. Resistance, this color will be red guys, and center bottom anywhere, we'll keep it on top. This is the resistance line. This will be our mid reference. Midpoint reference क्या हो गया, दिख रहा क्यों नहीं है? So text, okay guys, and this will be the zone for the support guys. This will be a buying zone as well. What will we type over here? Support or buying guys. My view for next week is market will come down, give a take a correction and go back again up. Simple as that. मार्केट खुलते ही नीचे आएगा, फिर ऊपर जाएगा गाइस, एंड यहाँ तक जा सकता है. आई फील यस गाइस, 10,700 विल बी आवर पोटेंशियल टारगेट, जो आना मुश्किल लग रहा है मुझे, बट Anything is possible, guys. I'll keep this in black. Major resistance or target. My view is bullish, guys. बस मीडियम टर्म के लिए that will be what, that is going to go down and come back again up. So this is what I'm looking for, and if we see Fibonacci levels as well, पहले तो यहाँ से देखेंगे हम लोग. ये गया मार्केट, इधर आया. ओके गाइज, ये 23.6% पे आके रुक रहा है. रिट्रेसमेंट, दैट इज नॉट अ हेल्दी रिट्रेसमेंट. अगर मार्केट को इसके ऊपर भी जाना है, अच्छी खासी इसको अगर ऊपर जाना है गाइज, तो एटलीस्ट इसको 38.2 का रेफरेंस के सपोर्ट के ऊपर आना पड़ेगा. फिबोनाची लेवल के सपोर्ट के ऊपर आके एक सपोर्ट लेके ऊपर जाएगा तो बहुत अच्छी खासी आपको बुलिशनेस दिख सकती है गाइज. So this is what I'm anticipating, and yes guys, levels are spot on. Levels are spot on, guys, but here will be our major resistance, uh, sorry, support, guys. One more support I'm giving you guys, and this can be the target for falling. Major, sorry guys, support at what levels? 8,800. I don't think so it should come, but आ गया तो अच्छा है guys. अगर इस लेवल को ये तोड़ता है गाइस नेक्स्ट वीक, तो द व्हाट माय एंटिसिपेशन ऑफ मार्केट कमिंग डाउन फॉर द सेकेंड फेज फॉल, सेकेंड वेव फॉल के लिए अगर आता है, और इट शुड पे ब्रेक पास दिस लेवल्स गाइस. 7,500 का लेवल भी ब्रेक कर देगा. अगर इसके नीचे हमें कंजिक्यूटिव दो क्लोजिंग्स, डेली दो क्लोजिंग्स आ गई ये मेजर सपोर्ट के नीचे, दैट इज 8,800, then market is gone guys. Second wave of correction will come and the market will collapse again. This is what I have been anticipating earlier, and by seeing the market up move, I think my dreams of seeing 7,500 will be a dream guys, if at all it breaks this major resistance and go above. And still we have time, let's see what will happen. मेरा व्यू गलत भी हो सकता है, ऐसे नहीं कि हर व्यू सही होना चाहिए, but we'll anticipate guys. This is what we can do. This is the analysis for Nifty guys. I'll be uh, posting this all these levels in the description box. Description box में मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल का लिंक भी है guys. You can go and join it. That's free of cost, and I'll be supporting you guys on trading and how to do how to where to buy and where to sell. I'll be selling the calls also, sir. And क्या बोलते हैं उसको, I'll support you guys in that also, and that is free of cost. And please subscribe channel, hit the bell icon, like this video, share and comment guys. So this was the Nifty's part, and these are all the levels. I'll post these levels in description as well. So my view for market is it should come down, take support over here, then boom, or it should go down over here, take support over here, and it may consolidate guys. If it reaches this level of support, it may consolidate for 1 or 2 days and then boom, या फिर boom, किधर भी जा सकता है. But my anticipation is bullish guys. I am feeling a bit bullishness will come in market, but market के वीक के 1 या 2 दिन नीचे भी जा सकता है, या फिर ऊपर चला गया मंडे के दिन. मान लो कि ऊपर चला गया तो ये ट्यूसडे और वेंसडे नीचे ही आना है इसको. ये सपोर्ट उसको लेना ही लेना पड़ेगा गाइस, बिकॉज दिस इज ओवर एक्सटेंडेड. दिस इज एन impulsive move, corrective move, impulsive, corrective. So I am expecting a corrective move now, and boom, it will go up again. So this is what I'm anticipating guys. I'll update these levels in description box as well. Now let's get back to Bank Nifty, guys. Yeah, Baba. Okay, so we'll go for a weekly closing as well. Analyze the chart in weekly time frame. Mm, okay, guys. Mm, अच्छी खासी क्लोजिंग आई है इसमें भी, बट इट इज़ नॉट शोइंग एनी काइंड ऑफ बुलिश स्ट्रेंथ गाइस. बहुत अच्छा स्ट्रेंथ नहीं दिखा रहा है जैसे कि निफ्टी दिखा रहा है गाइस. Compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty is weak, but it has come to a point that it may break this zone of making a W or double bottom double bottom pattern. And if this level breaks, guys, what is this level? 21 22,000. If you keep it 22,000, it may go up to here, guys. 27, 25, 25 for the safer side. It should go, guys. ये मेरा मानना है, ऐसा हो सकता है, बट देखते हैं गाइस. 25 25,000 will be our first resistance, guys. If that happens, okay, then our second resistance, that this will be the major, what, major type of this thing, major resistance or selling zone, guys. And if you haven't seen my analysis video, I request you to go and watch it again, because whatever levels I share over here are bang on levels, guys. Like every day, day in, day out, these levels are working, guys. So please give a thumbs up if you're following these levels and making money out of it, guys. I'll be the most happy person if you are making any money taking my guidance. So that will be a big honor for me. Okay, now selling zone हो गया. This will be the resistance again, and support, guys. Support तो इधर ही आ रहा है, guys. Somewhere around over here. हम्म, अच्छा सपोर्ट हो सकता है, बट we need to drill down deep inside this Bank Nifty charts to see where do we stand, guys. To analyze better, because I'm not getting any levels in weekly charts. Weekly time frame में नहीं मिल रहा. So we'll go in over here. We'll draw fib and we will find out our levels. Guys, I don't think so market will test this point, because कितने कितने का पॉइंट 1500 का करेक्शन तो नहीं देगा, गाइस. Because I feel Bank Nifty will break out and it will catch up with Nifty, guys. If you see Bank Nifty chart, it has not crossed past this level structure of market. But here if you see, if you compare Nifty with Bank Nifty यहाँ पे खड़ा है, guys. I'll just show you by doing this. यहाँ पे खड़ा है, but Nifty यहाँ पे आ चुका है, guys. ऊपर तोड़ के इसके रेजिस्टेंस लेवल को तोड़ के ऊपर आ चुका है, guys. तो I feel Bank Nifty will catch up with Nifty, guys. And for that to happen, a correction like this, I don't see any correction like this, but यही आ रहा है, guys. 19300 19300 का एक मेजर सपोर्ट रहेगा, guys. 19300. okay, let's draw a line over there. 19300 19300 का सपोर्ट. Okay, 19700. We'll put one more. This will be the zone for buying, guys. 700. Okay, guys. So this will be the buying level. And where do we find the midpoint? Mid level, mid level. Okay, guys. This will be the mid level, guys. Mid level reference 2500. And go here. Midpoint reference. Okay, guys. So we'll change the colors as well over here. Okay. इसमें मैंने मेजर सपोर्ट भी दिया है ना. Okay, I'll give it here also. So this will be support, guys. Support. Green, इसको भी green. Support. Midpoint reference. This will be the major resistance. यहाँ से बेच सकते हो, guys. And what is the fib level coming over here, guys? Bang on, guys. This is just a wonderful setup for next week. Levels bang on, guys. Levels are good. Even trading will be good. Hope so. 23, okay. 38. And this will be the last resort, guys. I don't see market coming over here till these levels, but I feel it may come because this is market and nothing is certain in the market. Major support, buying zone. Okay, guys. This black midpoint reference. This is a resistance. So ये हो गया, guys, बैंक निफ्टी का. Change the color. This is not looking so good. Cannot identify there is a line. Okay, guys. So these are the levels for the next week, guys. Levels ये रहेंगे and ये बैंक निफ्टी का, ये निफ्टी का, guys. Okay, guys. Oh, so that's it for the analysis for next week. And I was supposed to get you a video of support and resistance, guys. I will do it in next week, coming week. I'll do it, guys, because I was busy, quite busy this week. I couldn't make it. I'll make it in next week, guys. ऐसे education video लाता रहूँगा आपके लिए. If you are benefiting with these videos, if you feel I'm doing a good work, please do hit a subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and hit a like on this video, and share among your fellow traders, guys. And also, if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, it is free, guys. You can go and join us. I'll be giving you levels and what to do and what not to do. I will guide you through the trading on live market, guys. So benefit from all this. It is for free, and I hope I'm giving you value, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye, guys. Happy trading.